Listen up. It's the tutorial song. A chance for you to play the game while I explain the game through song, or more accurately, rhythmic speaking. So let's start with easy clapping. Playing a music game and feeling fine. You hit the notes when they hit that line. The closer you tap, the better you score. Completely miss, they hit the floor. Now, this next one is a medium vibraphone. So play your notes as you pop and beat too. 'Cause if you score low, that plant will eat you. You collect points for accurate squeaks. Bonuses are gained for combos and streaks. Now, feel the rush of a more difficult instrument. Here comes our hard keyboard solo. Arrange your band to any way you choose. Run on every chord or oops or kazoos. Play more songs until you say you're done. And the bird with the most points in the end has won. I'm very proud of you. Here's some final notes as a treat.